It's me, Wonderbeard the Pirate, bringing you junk and trash that can be turned into something useful. Very, very useful.
Hi folks, it's me again, Wonderbeard the Pirate, singing one of my favorite songs by Lady Gaga. You know, in the Philippines, when you say Gaga, it means stupid, idiot. But in the States, it's something positive. It means frenzy, excitement, charm, and that is indeed Lady Gaga, one of my favorite performers. It's me again, folks, Wonderbeard the Pirate, here to inspire you, not to perspire you, but to give you hope for junk items, trash items that can be turned into something positive. As usual, we start from the beginning because we can start at the end. And how do you do? I do it well. So today we feature the world's biggest toy helicopter. Really, very big. Okay? So, again, we start here in the beginning. We can start at the end, right? So, we start with English lesson. What is the longest word na walang consonants? Yesterday, we featured the longest word na walang vowels, and the answer is pygmy rhythms. Ang haba nun, di ba? But now, longest English word na walang consonants. Okay? Do you check your brain? You know? You can check the internet, but I'll tell you right now, okay? The answer is this six-letter word, and this is the answer, okay? Yun, okay? The longest English word na walang consonants. And this is pronounced what? This is pronounced 3 syllables, no? Okay, you look at my lips with your eyeballs, no? It is pronounced U-O-A, eh? U-O-A, right, okay? U-O-A. What is it? Like the description says, it means musical modulation. Diba? Ano yun? For example, we say, all we hear now is Radio Gaga, Radio Goo Goo, all we hear now. Okay, you can use UA for that. Musical modulation. You say, all we hear now is Radio Gaga, Radio Goo Goo. You got it? Huh? Nice, sexy voice, huh? Bulok. Okay, with that, we finish our English lesson. And then we're teaching you how to speak and do English properly. Okay? Right now. I got this. Wondermates asked me, Sir, do you ever get any fantastic comics sa magbobote na Batman? The answer is yes. I got this from the Magbobote. It's a comic book about Batman. You say, talaga sir? Is it about the Joker, Penguin, Aunt Harriet, or Alfred the Butler? Nakalaban niya? No, not really. Ang kalaban niya is really fantastic. It's really great na talaga tumaas yung kilay ko 10 times. And here is the comic book. I will now flash it to you downwards. Okay? Ayun po. We have what is known as Batman versus the Predator. Ano ka to? Batman and Predator nagsusuntukan. You say, is it possible? Kasi si Arnold Schwarzenegger sa Predator movie had a very difficult time trying to defeat the creature, di ba? Lahat ng kanyang team members ay natepok except him kasi siya ang bida eh. Okay, by the way, ito si Schwarzenegger, after he made that movie, he ran for governor of California and won. Nanalo siya. Si Governor Schwarzenegger. Haba. Okay? Alright, now going back here. This is a fantastic comics. Ano siya? The collected edition. Dito, kinalaban niya ni Batman si Predator. Okay? Alam mo, he almost died. Dugo-dugoan siya sa round 1. Ang galing ng kanyang Batmobile. The car brought him home by voice control. He only said one word, home. Sinabi ni Batman. And then, inuwi ng Batmobile si Batman sa kanyang Batcave, wherein Alfred, ang kanyang butler, gumawa ng paraan para na natulungan siya. Ha? Wasak-wasak katawan niya eh. And then after about 1 month, gumaling si Batman. He came back for round 2. And then defeat niya yung Predator. Wanna see the inside? Okay. Ano siya? Maganda yung kanyang art. Oh, you see? Art is quite good. Glossy. Glossy, glossy balasi. Sino ang kalaban? Na tepok yung creature. You see? It's quite good. Oh, meron pang mga sound effect. Krang! You see, yun ang mga weapons ni Predator. This is round 1. Tapos natulungan si Batman and he was brought home to the Batmobile where he was given direct attention by the butler. And then gumaling si Batman and then he came back for round 2 and then natepok niya itong si Predator. That's right. That's Batman. Okay, now what are my plans with these fantastic Batman comics? I have no plans of selling it kasi nga collector's item. Biro mo, nakalaban niya si Predator at na-defeat niya. And I have no plans of selling these comics galing magbabote. I bought this for about 20 pesos. You see, natawaran ko from 25. Okay? Now, with that aside, we go now to the next part. Sabi sa akin ng Wondermate, "Sir, do you also collect CDs?" Sabi ko, yeah, I do. Galing to sa garage sale. Hindi binibenta yung garage, binibenta yung mga items through their garage. Kaya naging garage sale, okay? So, got this for 50 bucks. Ito na. From South Border. South Border. Ayan ang South Border na audio CD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tao sila. Okay? Yung mga music, nandito yung isang favorite ko. Itong Rainbow. Ayan, Rainbow. Meron pang Rainbow Remix. Baby. Baby. Ay, umuulan. Okay, now, why is this special? I bought it kasi itong CD album was signed by all the members of the South Border. Okay? Pati si Brix Ferraris? No, not Brix Ferraris. Hindi siya. Okay, I will now zoom in at pakita ko sa inyo. You see? Ang daming mga pirma. They use a special gold marker para malagay nila yung kanilang mga pangalan. By the way, they are Butch Victoriano, Tata Balane, Vince Alaras, Jay Durias, Duncan Ramos, Paul Benitez, Rick Junasa. Ayan ang mga pogi na yan. Sila ang pumirma. Okay? Kala ko pati yung parokya ni Edgar, pero that's a different story. Ayan ang mga kanya-kanyang pirma. Si Jata, Vince, I think this is Paul. Yeah, Paul. Wala si John. This is somebody else. Vince yata. Basta nandiyan lahat. Okay? This one, I was selling online. Alam mo, ang tagal na, siguro mga 5 years na pinasok ko online, hindi pinapansin, may mga nagtatanong. They're trying to lower the price. I'm selling for about 900. Kasi any item signed by famous people is important. Diba? By the way, what is the most expensive pirma, autograph of any person na number 1 siya? It's worth $1 million. Do you know the answer? Okay, it's my pirma tuloy. It was signed by Julius Caesar. Si Caesar. Hindi si Cesar Asar Comics yun. Julius Caesar. Siya ang pumirma no. And if you have that, you get $1 million. So far, there are only 6 known to exist. Nawawala pa yung mga iba. You see? So, ako kaya, siguro yung pirma ko one day will be worth 6 million centavos. Bulok. Okay, now we come to the last part, our main feature. Sabi ko sa inyo, I will show you the world's largest toy helicopter. Okay? So, before we start, I have this question for you. Medyo patawan ng konti, pero it's still a good question. What is the Tagalog word for flying kiss? What is the Tagalog word for? Yan. Buti hindi nabasag sa salamin. For flying kiss. Okay. Search your brain. Search your brain, not your butt. What is the answer? Do you know? Okay. If not, I will tell you. Kaya dito nga ako eh. I will tell you. The Tagalog word for flying kiss is helicopter. Helicopter. R. Got you there. Alright, never mind. Ito po yung zoom in ng world's largest toy helicopter. Here it is. No? Yun. Look at that. Oh. It's big. It's 2 feet long and 8 inches wide. Talagang laruan siya. Astig ang dating niya. It says Marina. Dati may kapitbahay kang babae, crush ko, pangalan Marina. And she married a kapitan. Kaya nga, bagay, Marina. Marina. Okay, now, astig siya ang dating. Kaya lang, yung harap, naging kengkoy, naging cute. Okay? Why? I'll show you. Yun ang harap niya. Okay? Parang may tao. I know this yung planes ba yun? Or like that, no? And then you put this down like this. Babagsak yung kanyang visor. Ayan. Visor is down. You see? Sayang. Ako naman medyo na-disappoint ako ng konti kasi gusto ko astig talaga. Like that Black Hawk down. Yun. Okay siya. You can bring it up. Pwede ko naman gawing astig. Maglalagay ako ng bigote sa harap. O kaya may skull. At saka mga all kinds of things. Wag na lang. Okay, got this from garage sale naman. May isang babae. Sabi, "Sir, you want to buy this?" Sabi ko, I don't need your garage. Hindi po. You need a toy helicopter. Nakita ko. 120 raw. Sabi, yung bata nandun. Sabi ko, why will you sell this helicopter galing sa bata? Sir, kasi natatakot yung bata sa ganyang klase mga toys. Oh, I see. Ako naman, sabi ko, I have no fear about this toy. Nang pinakita sa akin, sige na. 120, pwedeng 140. Sige po. So, baliktad. Pwedeng 110. Pumayag yung babae and she sold it to me. Ayun. So far, gusto ko ipasok online. Kaya lang, maganda siya kasi talagang display siya. Display value. Conversation piece. Meron pa siyang hawakan sa taas, you see? Ayan siya. Ayan ako. You see, you can hold it over here and go. Moderate. Yan ang UAA. Okay, yan. Okay, back part. Butas dito para nawawala yung kanyang door. Di magbabagsakan yung mga sundalo. It's too bad. Sa kabila, you can open the door. Okay? Knock, knock. Who's there? Open the door. Okay, yun. Yun. And you can go inside and enjoy yourselves. See? Plano ko dito maglagay ng mga toy soldiers, mga sundalo, pero not now. Okay? Ayaw ko ito ipakita sa pamangkin ko kasi baka kunin niya. Tito Wonderbeard, pwede kong mahingi yan. No, hindi pwede. Akin yan. Kuripot. Sabi, kuripot tong bulok na ito. Anyway, it's heavy. Okay? And you can carry it around with you. And grabe yung mga movies ng helicopter, no? Kasi yung helicopter, ang bilis nun eh. Naalala ko yung Airwolf 1980s TV series starring John Michael Vincent, who passed away, I think, this year or last year. Sayang. Okay? Sayang. Alright, wait. Okay. Don't forget our vlog. I hope you learned something because I learned something. And don't forget to like me because I like you. You away. I like you. Ayan. And please give me a good comment and please give me a good subscribe. Yan. Kasi I want you and me to be together for many vlogs na naman. Okay? Sige. Don't forget that. And I hope you stick with me. I will now leave with you my favorite expression that has guided me throughout many wonder years up to now. It's still guiding me. Philosophical, number one philosophy and logic. Okay? Wonder mates, don't forget that wherever you go, you will always be there. Bye. I love you.